So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to find your transaction ID on your Trust wallet. So here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to access or open your Trust wallet application on your mobile device, and once you already click on that, just make sure that your account or your wallet is already linked on that mobile device. After that, just click on the file icon with the logo of the clock icon located at the top left corner of your screen beside the scan icon. Once you click on that, you will see history, which is you can also filter what type of networks of the specific transaction you wanted to see. You can also click or choose the all networks for you to able to find or filter all of the networks that you wanted to see in specific type of network or currency. Like for example, in Ethereum network, all of the Ethereum transaction ID will pop up here on your history section. And that's how you find transaction ID on your Trust wallet.